When it comes to depositing a check at HDFC Bank, you're in control with three convenient options. You can visit the HDFC Bank app, a visit to the branch, or a quick stop at the ATM. So if you're the app-savvy type and prefer doing things from the comfort of your home, just open up your HDFC Bank app and head over to the account section and look for the request option and tap on Smart Slip. So in there, you will spot the option for depositing a check. Just click on it, fill in the necessary details, and you can even capture an image of the check. And just follow the on-screen instruction to snap the front and back and hit submit. And you will get a confirmation message for the transaction. Now, if you want to do it in person or you want to visit the branch, just go drop by your nearest HDFC Bank branch and grab a deposit slip. Now, jot down your account number, date, and the check amount. So after filling out the deposit slip, just hand it over to the bank teller and they will give it a once over and process your deposit. Now after processing your deposit, they will hand you a receipt for the transaction. And lastly, if you're feeling a bit old school and want to use the ATM instead, just pop your HDFC Bank card in, enter your PIN, and select the deposit check option. Then you may need to enter the check details. You need to double check everything, insert the check, and just follow the on-screen guide. And that's it. So whether you opt for the simplicity of apps, the in-person touch-up branch, or the convenience of ATMs, depositing a check at HDFC Bank is effortlessly straightforward. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.